Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and has a clear call to action. Optimize for search engines, SEO, to improve visibility in search results. Content marketing. Develop a content strategy that includes blog posts, articles, videos, and other relevant content. Provide valuable and shareable content to engage your audience. Social media marketing. Identify the social media platforms your target audience uses. Create a consistent posting schedule and engage with your audience. Email marketing. Build and segment your email list. Send targeted and personalized emails to nurture leads and retain customers. Online advertising. Utilize paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and other relevant channels. Set specific goals and monitor the performance of your ads.